Want to learn AWS but don't know where to start? This video will guide you step by step. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, is the world's leading cloud platform used by companies to build and scale applications. Learning AWS can open doors to high-paying jobs in cloud computing, DevOps, and back-end development. Start with Cloud Basics. What is cloud computing? Servers, storage, and networking. Focus on key AWS services: EC2 for virtual servers, S3 for storage, and IAM for security. Create a free AWS account and start practicing by launching a simple website or server. Understand VPC, load balancers, and how applications connect in the cloud. Start with AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, then move to Solutions Architect. Build real projects like hosting a website, creating APIs, or deploying apps. AWS may seem complex, but step-by-step learning makes it simple. Subscribe to Lunatic Coder for more tech and cloud tutorials.